I've been longing for a very long time for this day to share with you one of my favorite apps. Um, this app is really nice and it has changed the way I plan my days and everything. Anyway, that doesn't matter. What matters today is we're going to be diving into one of the best note-taking apps out there, and it's a productivity app, Google Keep. Google Keep is a versatile note-taking app with a range of features that make it easy to capture and organize your thoughts. So let's jump right into it. So first things first, Google Keep is a free app by Google designed for taking notes, creating lists, and setting reminders. It's available on both mobile and desktop. So let's break down some of the Google Keep key features one by one. You can create different types of notes, including text notes, checklists, voice memos, image notes. This flexibility makes it easy to capture your ideas into whatever format that works for you best. So one of the standout features is the ability to set reminders. You can choose between time-based reminders or location-based reminders. So we're talking about reminders and how to do the reminder thing. For instance, let me head over to okay, let me just type in remind me at 2 p.m. Okay, so reminders, you tap this notification icon, a bell icon. Okay, so now we're going to, is it here are the options. Is it later today? Is it later morning? Is it Saturday morning? Whatsoever you wanna pick, or we can pick a specific date and a time. So when we come here, we can select the date, the time, and the place. We can maybe edit the location, and maybe we customize to show, is it home or work, is it home, work, or any custom location. You can include it right there. So let's move on to the maps. We'll go to the bell icon, and now we'll go to pick a place. Yeah, it's the same. Have you noticed something? You can navigate through these two options. You can either navigate to the place or navigate to the time, or considering the pickup place and navigating back to the time. Yeah, this ensures that you never miss out on an important task. Google Keep synchronizes seamlessly across all devices, phones, tablets, computer. So no matter where you are, your notes are always just a tap away. So you need to work on something with friends or team. Google Keep lets you share notes and collaborate in real time, making it perfect for group projects, trip planning, and managing shared to-do lists. You can label your notes for different topics, color code them for quick access, and pin important ones at the top. So we're gonna start with the how to label a note. So what we're gonna do, okay, let's do first things first. We're going to go to our left sidebar, and now we're going to navigate. We can create a label, and let's maybe call it important. Then it's saved. So in this label, we're going to open and put in a note. Going back to the sidebar, we go to the important, and now we create a note in important in the label called important. So that's how it works. So the other thing we're gonna do is change color. So what we're gonna do, we're going back to our note that we created earlier, and now we go to the option of color. We don't want to see this dark thing, so we're going to select our background color to be any color that you feel like. We can add any color that you feel like. Yeah, that will be cool to make the notes catchy and good, look nice. The other thing that we're gonna do is we're going to pin our message. Pinning isn't very hard. You just come right here and long press, and now this option of pin. It has sectors. There is pinned, there is others. So we already have the pinned. So whatever message that we pin will come under this section of pinned. So we're gonna search using filters, and to do that we'll go to our search icon. We can search using the filters. Is it under the list? Is it under the voice? Is it under the important? So these are the search filters that we have. Have you ever thought but no time to type it out? No problem. You can record a voice memo in Google Keep, and they will automatically be transcribed into text. Let's do it again. What we're gonna do is we're going to go to our memo, and actually let's create a new note. So we're not going to type, and Google Keep will transcribe it for us. So let's get started. What we're gonna do is come right here, and now we select our recording, and now we'll say that this is our transcription that we're doing. If you're the person that doesn't want to type, this will work for you best. For those who like a visual touch, you can easily add drawings or images on your notes, whether it's sketching out ideas or adding photos to a sketch list. It's all possible in Google Keep. Since we are going to look at the drawings and adding an image in the same note, let's just create one, and we go to the plus icon right below that. And now we're going to go to drawing, and maybe you have something that you want to sketch. Maybe you want to sketch on how your logo would look like. For instance, the 1V Tech logo. You sketch, you add something. Okay, it's not perfect, but we're just doing it for like an example. So do this, that is done. So let me show you some things. I will undo them. So we're going to change marker. That, let me erase it. Erasing, you come right here, you tap, you erased, change marker, tap, erase, and this is to move our object. We have to select, and now we can move it. And yeah, so one of the best things about Google Keep is that it automatically saves. That's the best thing about it. So just go back, and it has automatically saved. The other thing that we want to include is an image. You just come right here, either add image or take photo. Add image, you can add. That is obvious. It will be under the same note. So Google Keep integrates beautifully with other Google services. For example, reminders are set to appear in your Google Calendar, making it easy to manage your tasks and our schedule. The most basic feature is, of course, taking notes. You can create simple text notes or even add images, voice recording. So what we're gonna do, we're going to create a text note. For instance, let's go to the plus button. We can include our title as Google Keep. We can talk about maybe the features. So that is an example. It's perfect for noting down ideas on the go or saving web links for later. Who doesn't love checking things off list? Google Keep lets you create lists for tasks. Plus, you can record items or check them off as you complete them. So let's create our checklist. What we're gonna do is we're going to go at the bottom, right at the bottom, and select that icon. After typing that, yeah, our checklist has been saved. It's right here. And what we're gonna do is we need to check some items off. So we're going to go back to our checklist, and now we're going to check some things off. One piece off, and maybe software is off. Google Keep syncs seamlessly with Google Drive. You can easily export your notes to Google Docs for more in-depth editing and to share across all the other apps. So what we're gonna do, let's export our note to a Google Doc. So we're going to long press and start, and now we're going to tap the three dot menu, and now we'll go to copy to Google Docs. So this can't complete because I'm offline, but if you're online, it's going to just go direct. And actually maybe you'll have to select the account or something so that it can be stored there. Archive notes that no longer need but you want to keep for future references. We want to archive some notes that we don't need. For instance, this, we long press and we go to the three dot menu, and now we archive. So it's in the archives. If you wanna check your archives, you'll just tap the sidebar, and now you go to the archive. You'll find it there. So on mobile, make sure that you add Google Keep widgets at your home screen for quick access to your notes, checklists, and reminders. So for the widgets, what we're gonna do is I'm going to long press. Now go to widgets, and now I'll scroll all over down till I see Google Keep. Then I'll hold and pick it. It's right there. All notes. Okay. So this is the widget. So that's a quick rundown of Google Keep's base features. Whether you're taking notes, creating lists, collaborating with others, Google Keep is a versatile tool that will always help you in the basic things and also the complex things. So if you found this video helpful, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to 1B Tech for more tech tips and tutorials. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.